The Kawasaki Ki-100 was a fighter aircraft used by the Imperial Japanese Army Air Service during World War II. It was also known as the Type 5 fighter, and it was the last Japanese fighter to enter service before the end of the war. The Ki-100 was a modified version of the Ki-61, which had an inline engine that suffered from reliability problems. The Ki-100 replaced the inline engine with a radial engine, the Mitsubishi Ha-112-II, which improved the power and maneuverability of the aircraft. The Ki-100 was able to compete with the Allied fighters, such as the P-51 Mustang and the F-6F Hellcat, and proved to be one of the best interceptors used by the Japanese Army. The Ki-100 had a low-wing monoplane design, with a retractable undercarriage and a closed cockpit. It was armed with two 20mm cannons and two 12.7mm machine guns, and could carry up to 250 kilograms of bombs. The Ki-100 had a wingspan of 12 meters, a length of 8.82 meters, and a height of 3.75 meters. It had a maximum speed of 580 kilometers per hour, a ceiling of 11,000 meters, and a range of 1,100 kilometers.